Welcome to a point of view test drive on the Hyundai Ioniq. So you can get this car as either a plug-in hybrid, you can get it as a pure electric vehicle, or this one which is just the normal hybrid. I think for this kind of car, it looks all right. It's not ugly like a Toyota Prius, and that's a good thing. So to start it, I have to press the engine start, foot and brake. Come on. Get some little chimes. And a beeping sound as well. And disengage the foot operated parking brake, which I hate. And just put it into drive and it should go. It goes. It's silent. And then the engine kicks in. So, unlike some other hybrids, which you can drive along on electric power alone, this normal version of the Ioniq, you can't. I mean, it soon kicks in its petrol motor, and it's a 1.6 petrol motor. So, yeah, you're not running on that electric motor for too long alone. It just gives you a bit of a boost when you put your foot down. So, combined, we've got 140 horsepower. And you can see the 0 to 60 there. This is killing the economy, though. It takes 11 seconds. It's actually fast enough. And I can do this. Look, I've got an automatic gearbox, and that puts it into, look, I'll do it again so you can see it, puts it into sports mode, and I can, if I want to, change gears myself. So change it up now, and I do that by pushing the lever, look, like that. I'll pull it down to change down if I want to. Move that across. When I brake, you'll see this charge indicator. As I'm braking, the brakes are recouping lost energy, and they're putting that energy back into the batteries, basically working like a dynamo to charge the batteries, and then I can use that to drive the car along and provide assistance. And that's how the whole hybrid system works. So you've got some extra boost from that electric motor just driving you along, so you're not wasting as much energy as you would do in a normal car. You're using it to provide propulsion, and as a result, this car should be able to do 83 miles per gallon. This one, though, with larger wheels, it falls to 70 miles per gallon. And I actually checked the miles per gallon figure. We did a test on it, and I managed to get 68 miles per gallon out of it, which is good because it doesn't actually feel too much like a hybrid to drive. It just feels like a normal car, apart from obviously these dials and a bit of blue around here, which suggests an eco-friendly model. Have a look at the dash, actually, see what you think of it. Do you like it? Quality's actually all right, and the design's nice as well. The controls are easy to use, and touchscreens aren't the easiest to use when you're driving, but there are some shortcut physical buttons there that you can press. Now, the car's pretty comfy and easy to drive in town, and yet when you get it out on a road like this, a twisted road, it actually grips and goes all right, surprisingly so. I think it handles better than a Toyota Prius. The downside is that it's not quite as comfy over bumps in town as the Prius. So let's face it, you use a hybrid in town, you're not going to be hooning around like this. You buy them for economy, don't you? Now this car, though, it starts from £21,000, so it's actually really good value and very well kitted out. This one here, I think, is £24,000, and it's got everything. Leather seats, we've got like heated seats. They've even got, look at that, can you see that? A fan function, so you've got ventilated seats. It's fully loaded for £24,000, and it's very economical as well. It's actually quite an impressive thing. I think when it comes down to getting the best hybrid, though, it's not quite there. The Toyota system is a little bit better, but if you don't like the look of the Toyota Prius, which I don't really, it's a pretty ugly car, then this is a really good alternative. And it's a good alternative if you're the kind of person that has been put off diesel because of the recent scandals. Now, there's the key. Turned it off, I think, yes. There you go. There you have one last look at the car, actually, because it does look pretty good. There you go, Toyota. No, I'm so programmed to say Toyota when you're talking about hybrids. The Hyundai Ioniq. Please click on the pop-out banner to go to carwow.co.uk to compare offers on the Hyundai Ioniq. Also, please subscribe to our channel and click notifications on to be updated of our latest upload. And don't forget, click on the video windows for more of our content. Thanks for watching.